Hi, I'm Ryan Crosby. I'm going to show you how to shorten your overall seat depth on this cushion Ride Custom 2 in the field. So you might have ordered this, you get your cushion and it's a little bit too long in the front and we need to cut it back some. So we're just going to cut straight off the front. I need to first mark it back with generally I like to use a silver Sharpie. That works pretty well. And we're going to cut it back. Let's say that, and that is about 1.5 inches. So I'm going to mark it back across the top. Okay, just going to connect my dots, my lines here. Okay, and then we have our line across the top, line across the side, and I'm actually going to put another line across the bottom. The more lines I have, the better I can make sure that my saw, as I'm cutting, is lining up where I want it to. So we're basically eliminating the undercut on this one, cutting it back about 1.5 inches on the top. So you could use a wood saw on this, like a hand saw, if you've got access to that. Otherwise, a turkey knife works really well. So I'm just first going to work this down. I'm going to have to cut in sections, basically. I'm going to cut along the top, kind of work it down to the side, because this foam is pretty thick, so the knife is going to want to bind up on me. So the more freely I can peel this, if I can peel this foam back as I'm cutting, it will take the pressure off the blade. So here we go. Okay. Got a little bit extra to cut off. There we go. So, not perfect, but I can really smooth that out quite a bit using this Stanley Sureform wood rasp. And just take that right across the front edge and smooth that all out to be a very similar texture and thickness. You can really get out a lot of those imperfections using this tool. And get the edges. We don't want to have any sharp edges, so make sure to smooth down the edges. You can also use hook Velcro. That works really well to kind of smooth out any edges as well. And that's how you shorten your cushion depth in the field. Now the cover will, depending on how much you cut it, the cover might have to be adjusted to make that fit correctly. But if it's just a little bit that you're cutting off the front, the cover should fit pretty well, just be a little loose in the front. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at Ride Designs. We're happy to help. Thanks a lot and have a great day.